Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sarafinah. I do fashion, beauty, mom videos and vlogs sometimes. So if you like such kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel and let's jump into. So today's video is going to be about this Black Opal foundation, and I haven't tried any foundation from Black Opal, so this should be really interesting. And I bought it in a color 460 Pore Perfecting Liquid foundation. So I'm gonna try it on first, but then before that I'm going to go off camera and then do my eyebrows and my eye makeup, and then I'm gonna. So guys, now my eye makeup is done, and now I'm gonna try the foundation. So this is how the foundation looks like, and it's a pump. So I'm gonna apply this sunscreen. That's what I use as my primer. So let me just put some drops for you guys so you can see. Oh Lord, do I have to shake it maybe? Ooh. So this is how it looks like, and I'm going to use the stapling brush to apply it. Oh Lord, this seems to be like lighter, but I actually, wow, no, this is really light, you guys. But I tried it on in the store, and it was like the one, like it really matched me. I don't know, maybe I've just put a lot, but I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to use a brush, and this foundation seems to be sticky. I feel like really sticky. My face feels like, I don't know. It applies better with a brush than, I mean with a beauty blender than a brush, because with a brush it was not moving. Since it's really sticky, you just need to apply it with a beauty blender. And I feel like with a beauty blender it's better, way better. It goes on really nice, though still sticky, but it's much better. I feel like it's getting close to my skin color. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but I feel like it's matching. So yeah, this is like the first layer, and I think if you want to build up, if you want like a full coverage, you can literally build it up. I'm gonna add on more. Let's try to build it up and then see. I'm gonna put a few more pumps. It is really sticky. It's a sticky foundation, no joke. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit for my forehead. But overall, I think I don't know. I mean, I'm seeing my skin really looks. My skin has been breaking out, so this is how the foundation is looking like. I feel though it's sticky, I feel like it's light on my skin. I really don't feel like I have like heavy makeup on. You can work with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in a shade Fawn. done highlighting my face. Now I'm gonna contour. Still I'm gonna use this Illegal and shade Espresso. Is it espresso or espresso? One of the two. Actually, it's easier when you blend the one on your nose with your fingers. So now that is done, I'm gonna set. I don't really like setting. How is it called, baking? I don't actually really bake. I'll just put on the powder and sweep it off. Like, I don't wait for it to sit on my face. Go in with my contour powder. Do you guys hear that? My baby's pulling the chairs around. So now I'm gonna set my face using the MAC Prep and Prime. So I'm done with my makeup, and my thoughts on this foundation is that I don't really think it's my jam. I don't feel it, because if you can see my face, it really looks kind of patchy. Like, I see around here and around here. I don't know why. Is it my skin or is it the foundation? I don't know, but this doesn't happen when I use my normal foundation. So that's number one I don't like about it. Second, when you're applying it, it is really sticky. If you want to apply it with a brush, it won't work with a brush. You need a beauty blender. And though looking, I guess it looks nice. It's matching my chest area. What do you guys think? I don't know if I'll use it again. Maybe I can actually try it again and see if it will still be patchy when after I do my makeup. If it does, obviously I cannot use it because it doesn't look cute. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.